Welcome back to Lux Auto X. Today, we're diving into the future of trucking with the all-new 2025 Mack semi-truck, a machine built for power, endurance, and cutting-edge efficiency. This truck is here to redefine the industry. Standing tall and bold, the Mack 2025 immediately commands attention. Its aggressive front grille, with the unmistakable Mack logo, gives it a dominating presence on the road. The boxy LED headlights aren't just for style. They provide superior visibility in all conditions. Every line and contour of this truck is designed for maximum aerodynamics, cutting through the wind with precision, reducing drag and improving fuel efficiency. But what really makes this beast special? Let's talk about performance. Under the hood, Mack has engineered a next-generation turbo diesel engine, delivering unmatched torque and power. Whether it's hauling heavy loads across states or tackling steep mountain roads, this truck is built to handle it all with ease. The advanced transmission ensures smooth shifting, improving both performance and fuel economy. Step inside, and you'll see that Mack has revolutionized driver comfort. The fully digital dashboard provides real-time analytics, navigation, and diagnostics, ensuring drivers stay informed on every journey. The AI-powered co-pilot system assists with route optimization and even provides alerts for potential hazards. The seating? Ergonomically designed for those long hauls, making even the longest drives feel effortless. On the highway, the Mack 2025 moves like a true king of the road. The newly improved suspension system ensures a stable, smooth ride, even on rough terrain. Whether you're driving through open highways or navigating busy city roads, this truck is designed to perform. Mack has once again proven why they remain at the top of the trucking industry. The 2025 model isn't just about raw power. It's about smarter, more efficient trucking. A machine built for the future, designed for those who push the limits every day. What are your thoughts on the all-new Mack 2025? Drop your opinions in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, only on Lux Auto X.